How to create account on Skrill. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up your browser and then search for Skrill. After that you need to open up this very first link that you will see in the search results, and if you are from US then simply open up this link, but if you are from India you can open up this one. So this way these are the platforms where you will be redirected, and you can just simply click on this option of register afterwards. The process is almost similar, but the details which are required might be different. So all you have to do is just click on this option of register after you open up the website of Skrill, and here you would require to put your first name, last name, and also your country and your currency, email and password. After that, if you want the offers from Skrill, you can simply tick this mark. Otherwise you can simply go on this option of register. Let me provide my details, and now it will ask you to verify your email address, and a link has been sent on your email. Just click on that particular link, and after that you will be able to verify it. Make sure that you do this process before 30 minutes, otherwise the link will be invalid after that. And in your email you will find this option of confirm email. Just click on it and wait for it to redirect you to this page. And now all you have to do is just put your password over here and log into your account. And this is how you will be able to create account on Skrill. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.